guy turn it into prayer. Now God go see us through. Now God go see us through. They don't show a pepper.
Yes, now. You see that phone on where the guy talk. Like Johnny Wakado even they talk say you know good.
You know good.
Man carry get phone or woman phone. But another sign to know say your wife will cheat. If your wife they defend her phone, you don't watch Chinese film make actor they defend. Before you raise hand, you don't defend. Your wife phone or your girlfriend phone feed the year. You feel just want carry remote, she go dive her phone. You understand? You just want to, she go hold her phone.
Instead of all the dive, you may code the phone.
Make it just know say, you know, some they even suspect say you know they are.
No, may I tell you, and you know one thing there, be say, man, like me now, phone. I know they feel my wife never touched my phone once. When you start to check woman phone, you don't dig your grave with that. Because no woman will not get admirer. Even our first lady, you get person where they look at. We be say, man, if you don't share number, give. Like people, they share their number for market. And if you don't share them for public market, person you come, they admire you. Look, I don't love girl where I never talk to. If I just see the guy, they admire, I go just, but I never say hi. We did like that for complete 2 years for Uniben. I not say hi. Anybody they talk to them, I call the vest.
I know I say you know who Johnny, you know guy you want know you know guy you go home, pepper day your hand. Now those days waiting is rough, you understand? So you just call the groom and the keep.
No, but you know say me, I mean, now this time I just know Johnny. I the packet take me for Johnny at that.
That's what I mean. Wait, ma tell you something. You know say he get one guy
for this bar.
He get one guy we say the guy get one girl, fine girl for Desu. He like the girl, but he no vary that level to date that kind of girl. You understand? So he call the program the guy keep for your future when he go home. He never toast her. So any man when go toast her, once the man come out, he go meet the girl say, ah, that guy na cutty so. na papa bring go boni. So he just kill every paro until he come right to enter the office.
And when he enter the office,
he come tell the guys I was chasing those. I was actually chasing them away. They should go away.
But really, you know, say if we look into this cheating thing, aside that communication thing we talk about, every little thing where you do, either guy or girl, the next your partner, body go the pepper. Not the way you go do it.
No, that one are the first. That one are the first
sign.
Not
the way you go do it. Symptom, be like you come like sickness.
If you sneeze, try
it. Because they find things where no they cause wahala.
Things where say you go do before it go pet you. But now if you don't, you don't give.
Wait a step. You go waka commot.
And then if your partner know they laugh to your jokes, that na big trouble. You know say everybody best comedian na your partner.
Of course. Yes.
You know say you get waiting somebody else go talk where you no go laugh. But if your husband talk him
to encourage him, you must laugh.
You understand? You go laugh to show say man.
Yeah.
At times the laugh they even come natural, not even fake.
Yeah.
You know they know when the thing funny to you. Maybe the way we say he take. Talk
just they put her.
You know,
you just smile.
And they look in your own lips. You know that lips where they kiss you. Yes. Shakara. No wonder you get put it. Wait.
You are a suspect.
At the hear kiss, only body don't shit. He like
I tell you now. Girls wanna beware of who get put it. They are very dangerous. I tell you. They get PhD in kissing. Now so one guy go kiss one girl, two teeth lost. He kissed the girl, two teeth lost.
Hey, Ahmed, you know say another thing we just said down my head now is when they talk this kissing thing now. Anything what you do for bed, cranking level, the person feel not like again.
Anything go dey irritate am. Before it's so far the person not get cigar.
Why?
If na cigar get, you know cigar Indomie. If the person not be Indomie before, come be there. Because say why you what I you don't see where they do so the person go they read newspaper.
Hell,
because he not send you again where they crank. You go call the church gun. If you finish, cover am.
Hey! For pot. Hey! Chop finish, cover pot.
Cover pot.
See, if to say no be say some kind video, we no fish one for here. We get one video where somebody give me for phone. Okada man, where they help person carry pikin go school. You know, so we never get car. Where Okada man they help pikin, they help the woman carry the pikin go school. when the man don't go work, drop picking for school, you go come back.
Come back house.
Come service
Come service the food.
the woman,
The
you
food,
understand?
yeah.
Service the woman. The man now come set camera put for the house because people don't dey tell him. People don't dey tell him. Say this your wife. That Okada guy when they come carry on a picking go school. That Okada guy they come back. Oh, we don't know what they come do, but they always come back. Now the guy put camera for house go. When he come now, so he sees watch see where Okada guy they crank. And meanwhile, if the main guy one crank, she know the fit on. But if you see where this woman they turn,
both wheelbarrows,
she dey spin.
And I'm going to see your opinion when we come back. We gonna do the spinning thing. See your opinion.
I don't even know, except someone informed me. Someone told me that he's cheating on me or double dating.
Maybe if my boyfriend, girlfriend, if I dey see the girl steady, I go know say the guy get something with that girl.
You go know now because he no go dey do as you want. He go dey do somehow.
So inside my mind, I go dey feel jealous because the emotion of that girl don't already tell me say the guy they cheat on me.
I don't even pray for that if it will happen, but unless if he don't change in behaviors for house or in character, the way he do treat me before, he's not like that again. I will know that something is going on.
Maybe the boy attitude go dey tell me. Maybe the way the attitude towards me go dey tell me say maybe he get something outside.
But sometimes by the way in the answer call, if you call look suspicious, I go say maybe something is going on. But I will know how to follow him up. Maybe I will just suspect immediately say they do so and so thing. I go know how to the monitor in way. They know how to follow him. And so I go take find out. So that in the shit, I go ask him some question. If he answer well, I go cool down for some time for him. If I will now know how to react on it.
I can't know. I don't know.
Know how you go know. You know men how they do now. You go know how. You go know say this person they cheat on me.
Yes, welcome back. Now, see BOBOS here we day and we dey talk the matter today. And the matter we dey talk about and say how you fit take know if how person fit take know. Man, put on like that if your partner they cheat on you. And we get our man, our G, where waka all the way from Ring Road in Benin Kingdom into our bar today.
Waka reach Lagos.
Waka reach Lagos.
Enter Surulere.
In fact,
stay Surulere for many years. And now he come Waka enter bar with us. Follow us the day.
Johnny.
Bro, I see there the house.
You
They
dey?
can't get one place when I waka go one day. As I waka reach there, Ambroba can rub one cup. They your new marry. As Ambroba rub them, Ambroba can look the woman set. And Ambroba say, no, I can't go without this. Now I carry the woman. After they don't go with the man, people come they console the man. And sorry, Ambroba come they do this. The man they cry. The man look at wife they cry. Ambroba come. Knock. Then they ask the man, okay, what happen? He said the woman must pack. Okay, okay, what happen? I'm going back home. They don't collect money. So then the man say, what did they pay now? Not because of the money, not because of that. But when they knock this woman, they can't see where never do to Ramna, do to Ramna.
In what position where?
If you see how they spinning, the woman didn't give Ambroba address. Please come back.
If na me be the man, if I really want to enjoy my wife, the following day, I go outside, cover my face, hold on, come inside, go. Position straight. I say, idiot, so you sabi all this kind position, now you did.
He said the woman tell Ambroba, go down, you can't see him, let me climb.
But really, you know, say this cheating thing, no be waiting person really fit talk finish today. Make I put them like this. You know, say number one thing, your partner no go really send you again. He no go take care about you again.
Yes.
That's number one. Number two, he go to keep so many secrets from you. Number three, in normal movements where you dey know, if he tell you say in they go Lekki, you go know say na Lekki they go. But now he go tell you say in they go Lekki, but you go later say am for Jota. You know that kind of thing. The truth no go dey. Different things go dey happen for the relationship.
Another sign where you go tell you know say your partner don't cheat. At once, her friend base begin increase.
Anyhow.
New cousin there come out from places, you know. You say, hello, baby, have you met Uncle John? He's one of my uncle's brothers, auntie, son, cousin. And then that one will be say, you go call girl, she can say, please call me back. I'm busy. I'm busy. You know say no human being. I repeat. See,
if you like, you finish the drink, finish and
finish.
I'll collect one from bar now.
Before we come back, we'll do one don't spoil. When we come back, he go tell us what it is. I mean, one don't spoil when we come back.
In fact,
producer, God bless you for this one. Don't spoil what we give us. So.
Yes.
I beg Johnny, you self know. Say these days to live for person country where person come from. You know say na gbege.
I know on I go if on I want hide mask and I know say me I know Sabi hide mask. Sabi talk my own.
Opener.
South Africa. Where go the indigenous of South Africa? You know say non-indigenous shop they go they boggle them, kill people. Kill even some Nigerians.
Like
10.
You understand?
Like 10. You understand? And meanwhile, we are here, on a get on our own business, they here. I feel begin name. On our own business, they other countries. They Ghana, they Senegal, they everywhere. Even South Africa business, they London.
Yes.
You understand? So it's uncalled for. It's uncalled for. No. You understand? If they say no, be say with the national TV now, I can just, but it's uncalled for. Let's try and be our brother's keeper.
No, bros, I don't need to speak. Wait, where is your comfort? We not green. I dey provoke. Look my face. South Africa people. I waka go South Africa that day because I just tell one girl, hi. The girl say, are you from Nigeria? She say, now one carry cutlass. But South Africa people, they don't get work. They lazy. Una not sabi work now. Una lazy and their girls they like us because Nigeria.
No.
Oh, but make I tell you the truth. You don't see the data where Ebola land Nigeria. Wait till HIV won for airport. Where they go? Nigeria. Say Nigeria, say me will be HIV. Nigeria, they cure me like fever. Not near that place. That place, their blood not good to suck. You go wound.
No the Ebola no last.
Iran now.
Ebola take off.
When Ebola enter our body, wait till first test. Alomo. Test Alomo then it come Agbo. Paraga. I say no.
Shaka, make I just say one more time, no be our friend. How you if now you now they the relationship, how you fit know yourself and they cheat?
Like I mentioned many things. Now the way which the attitude na be number one, body language. Body language. See, as a guy, listen to your babe, body not be only talk. Sometimes forget what she dey talk. Listen to her body language. Body language go tell you say some things don't they go wrong. So be careful.
Johnny?
I dey here, I still there, I never waka commot. How you want to know? Say your wife they cheat you or your babe they cheat you. If she don't they receive call again for where you dey, as the your call hello, she don't move forward. And again, if she go dey demand unnecessary demand from you, you go know say this girl don't dey waka. As my brother they talk just now say na body language. Wetin be body language? Body language don't they tell you say bye bye, don't they do you like this, don't they do you say make you they go because you know the standard. You know say again, the only thing to tell whole woman down a lie. If you they tell them lie, well, I go tell you that you know, but make her leave them because as it be so, una do well.
I bet if we leave Johnny Waka,
so
go talk to tomorrow.
we leave Johnny, he go waka enter the gist, he go scatter person head. But for me, I just want to let you know, say different things they will be say your partner go to do, where you go to notice. Take note of those things. If you say in the day caring before, they do so many things before, but now you know they do them again. A lot of things they did. You just do it. Open your eye. As Johnny Waka take talk, open your eye.
Not be open eye.
Until another day. Good night.